Okay, so this is a hard reset for this AT&T AXIA smartphone. The phone must be powered off, and you can go ahead and remove external memory card to save some files stored in this phone. This process will remove password, pattern, or PIN, blocking the screen of the phone, and everything is gonna be deleted, like pictures, videos, contacts, email addresses, passwords, and so on. And it is very important that you know your Google account, like email address and password, because after the factory reset you will require to confirm Google in order to proceed and get to the home screen. If you're not able to confirm Google or verify Google, you won't be able to use your phone. So just make sure that you have that information. Okay, you're ready to start. You're gonna use the volume up and power key. We're gonna press these two buttons together, and as soon as the phone vibrates or the AT&T logo appears, release the power button, but continue holding volume up. Okay, don't until you're gonna see the recovery menu on the screen. Then you're gonna release the volume up button. Okay, ready? Volume up and power. Phone vibrates, release power button. Okay, recovery menu appears, release volume up. Now using your volume button, you're gonna scroll up with the volume up and highlight wipe data factory reset and press the power key to confirm. Second step is confirm using volume down, highlight yes, and everything is gonna be deleted, and this cannot be undone. So we already went through that before, so if you are ready, just press the power key to confirm. At the bottom of the screen is wiping formatting data, formatting cache, wipe data complete. Now last step is reboot system now. Just press the power key to reboot or restart the phone. Okay, here it's gonna take a few minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. So just be patient there. And in case that the Android logo gets stuck there for more than 8 minutes, that means that something is wrong with the phone, the motherboard has to calibrate. So if that is your case, just remove the battery and wait 5 seconds, put it back on, and then start over again with the same process using volume up and power key. Same steps, okay, to calibrate the motherboard. And in case that you get stuck, you can do this process up to 8 times if possible until the motherboard gets fixed. We usually overstock information on the motherboard. If you delete a lot of web browsing, pictures, or downloaded applications, and you didn't restart or reboot your phone at least 3 times a month, that means something that caused that the motherboard doesn't work properly. So just so you know. Okay, so we are on the initial setup. In case that you bought this phone as a new phone or you did a factory reset like we did right now, you're gonna get to this screen to